all my people that been waiting on this news, man. Boy, look, I got news that if you got any love for the Mac, you definitely can use. Deep game check way. We go to court September the 23rd. Now, I got to give it to you play by play because can't nobody give it to you like me. I'm living this shit in real time. So, here's what these bitches did. It's 9 o'clock. They get me up about 4 o'clock in the morning. They get me up to the front, ship me to the building. I'm already at the courthouse. All right? 9 o'clock come. They said, now I'm there. I say I'm at the courthouse by about 8:20. I've been up since 4. I'm there at 8:20. All right? I'm there for 9. When I get there, they say, no, court date is at 10:30. All right. Now, that move was to discourage the people or anybody that was coming in. If anybody was coming to testify like they thought the boy wasn't going to show up. But this is what happened. I'm just going to go ahead and speed you up. We get in the courtroom. Antoine Mouton takes the stand first. They ask him questions. Now, he gives me run out. He recant everything. Everything that he signed on that affidavit, the man came to court and did. But here's what's the most explosive shit of them all. Once the prosecutor started to question him, it started to come out. The FBI, the homicide out of Fairfield, the motherfucking Metro from Las Vegas, the feds, a bunch of different agencies get him in a room surrounding and discussing me to him. This what he testifying to. He testifying how they pressured him. He testifying how he said he didn't know nothing about what was going on. They got him in there and started speaking on me. This come out on the stand. They opened up a motherfucking wound that now that bitch got all it's infected. And you can't run from it. The fire done been started. Now, and then the other part of it that was so beautiful, the man's father came to court because what they was trying to extrapolate from Antoine Mouton was that somebody threatened him, that he got pressured to come, so they wanted to know why or what made him come talk to my lawyer and how did he find my lawyer and all this. So he didn't want to, go into what his family did. He was like, my family got at me, and it was bothering me, and I know I was wrong. I don't know the man. I didn't grow up in Fillmore. I'm from Hunters Point. I don't know him. Period. So his father get up there, and he testifies that he heard about my story. He heard it on the interview from Gangster Chronicles. He heard other interviews, and I was saying the same thing. So he wanted to know from his son. He got on the motherfucking plane like a real nigga supposed to, and looked at and went to where his son was at in I think it was Atlanta. He went from. I don't want to get my cities mixed up because I'm giving it to you, and I got to give it to you play by play the right way. He flew from Oakland to Las Vegas, and he came to see him. He had a conversation with him, looked him in his eyes, and he wanted to know, hey man, did you get on the stand and testify on this man? This is what his father testifying to. He said, man, the man just broke down and started crying for 20 minutes. And he was like, man, you got to go do the right thing. This is what his pops testifying to. Took him to the lawyer office. Look, those two testimonies right there fucked up their life. Then would add an insult to injury because they was up there playing from the fucking beginning. They knew this court date did not have to come. The prosecutor, racist ass white boy, he thought that he was going to scare Latif with the subpoena act. I'm going to bring him in, I'm going to question him. Listen, where I'm from, motherfuckers ain't scared to face confrontation. He's a prosecutor. They fucked up and put this nigga on the stand. The lawyer asked one question. What is his expertise in Brady? And when he opened up Pandora's box, Latif Latif went in. He started to explain and clean up everything that Mouton said. This is how the proceeding ended. Latif went into his knowledge, wisdom, and understanding about Brady, and he read my transcript front to back. He understood everything. He identified all of the Brady violations, which was like 10. So here's an example of some of the things that he checked as Brady. The first thing, you didn't tell Mr. Dow that Antoine Mouton was that he wouldn't even call him Mouton, that his real name is Antoine Contrell. And you didn't tell Mr. Dow that Antoine Contrell was a paid informant from the FBI. This constitutes Brady violation. You didn't tell Mr. Dow that Mr. Mouton was inside of a federal facility calling and trying to dissuade a witness to come into court from testifying. This constitutes Brady. You didn't tell Mr. Dow that Mr. Mouton was in custody from November the 28th to December the 7th, 2005, and that there was no way he could have possibly been in the Las Vegas December the 5th. This constitutes Brady. This constitutes Brady. This constitutes Brady. This constitutes Brady. And went on, and he went so bad that the judge said, I have a court date at 1 o'clock. We have to stop these proceedings right now. That's how this should stop. And I went, what? What the fuck? Yeah, it went that fast. You got the news there. They got the CBS right there. The lady that's standing there, Vanessa Murphy, she interviewed me from CBS Las Vegas. She stunned. They opened up Pandora's box. Everything that I told her, she knows to be true. There was no exaggeration. There was nothing extra. There was no theatricals, histrionics, and none of that on what I've been saying about what happened. The boy came and testified to it, his father, and Latif laid it out so cold that when they put that nigga up there, they played with the right one, because he is a scholar. The man got the mind of a note when it comes to this law. The nigga is smart. He's sharp. He's sharper than the mosquito needle, I tell you. I tell you, the boy is on his motherfucking P's and G's. He laid that shit out. He made the judge respect it. Her whole tone changed with Latif. Because they understand when he laid out his motherfucking accolades, his credentials of who he is. Bottom line, I investigate corruption. And this right here is nothing short of draconian. It's a penalty for this conduct. He shook their ass up. He investigates fucked up shit, so the last thing you want is that to happen. Because he done told you, I got a team. So we do know how to get to the bottom of some shit, and there's some foul shit going on around here. And this prosecutor, only thing he did was opened up and launched an investigation around this bitch that's going to destroy a lot of careers, because they foul down here. They foul, they got caught. Nigga, I got him, and with that solidified to me, I'm on my way home. Period. They let me know, you let me go. The next court date, you gotta let me go. You violated Brady and all of his progeny. The bottom line, you suppressed the evidence. You gotta let me go. Antoine Mouton got on the stand and fucked their life up. September the 23rd is the worst day that ever happened in Las Vegas when he got up on the stand and made that record that the fucking homicide, they telling him what to say, they telling him what to do. This what he testified to. They fucked up. They put him in a room and put the pressure on him. And y'all know I don't make no excuse for no snitch, no bitch ass nigga, but to keep it real, I believe his father is honorable. He say, the man ain't that bright, period. So that's like hitting a retarded kid is our people, a motherfucker gotta really look past that. And his daddy is an honorable man. And he said, I'm responsible for him. He don't know that man. I know he don't know him. I know how he came to me crying. I'm just, me being his father, I took him to his lawyer. Father is a real motherfucker. If he ain't never had a friend, he made a friend in me that day. That man came and kept it so motherfucking real. And the only person I ever seen do some real shit like that is Bubba Hemp, rest in peace. Trust me when I tell you this. With nothing like that man. That was a hell of a dude. And well known for whatever you wanted to do. Bub Hemp was with the bullshit. Yeah, trust me on that. So when a nigga do that, when a motherfucker step up and do what's right for his family, I'm sure that if a motherfucker do the wrong thing to somebody in his family, just as hard as he went for you, he'll go against you. So I respect it. Period. And anybody that fuck with me, respect that. Yeah. Antoine Mouton get the retarded pass, man. He's socially retarded. I seen that. I saw that. They took advantage of that. They out of line. It ain't on him. It's them. They surrounded him. They threatened him with murder charges. He's a suspect. They didn't tell me that. Constitutes breaking. Didn't make a police report. They went from him and pivoted right over to me. They fucked up. It's the worst day of their life. Trust me on that. I feel so good about this moment right here, right now. Yeah. They are running out of time. You're running out of time. You're running out of time. Okay. Now, we're going to leave it with that because they're running out of time. You're running out of time. All right, Walt. You're running out of time.